Okay everyone, here we go with a classic anime character, one of the cutest, Pikachu from Pokemon. So I'm going to start with the eyes, a nice big eye there, and remember, nice big highlight for the eye there, another one over here, quite a wide spacing between the eyes, another big highlight there, okay, and I'll shade in the middle, and that, okay, that's a wee bit too big, that one. Okay, and then the cute little nose, just tiny wee kind of triangle there, and the mouth, which curves up in the middle like that, and then nice big smiley shape at the bottom coming up like that, and then you see a bit of the tongue coming in at the back there. Okay, then top of the head quite high up, and then one of the ears, almost like a propeller shape, you know, and there's a black shape at the top like that, and then the side comes down from there and curves out around the nice wee fat cheek and then stops about there. It doesn't go all the way around. The other ear we'll put coming out to the side like that, and another line coming in there like that, and then the other cheek coming in, nice wee fat cheek coming in and stopping about there. Okay, now the arms, little chubby arms, little short pointed fingers like that, and back of the arm coming up there, the other one coming out a bit here, little points like that, and then the wee hand, and then the nice wee chubby arm, and then the body, start about here, come around out in a fat curve like that, and then doing that, and another wee shape coming around and kind of doing that shape there, see, joining on to there, then one little foot coming out like that, little toe shapes, and the other foot coming in like that, a couple of toe shapes, alright, and then the tail, starting about here, just below the arm there, coming up in a kind of zigzag shape. Right, down there, the other one coming out about here, coming back up behind the hand, and a nice big fat curve there. Okay, I think what we'll do is shade these top parts of the ear in because they are black. But of course the colours, you can check those out on the net quite easily, and colour the little Pikachu chap in yourself. But there we go, there's a cute little Pikachu. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you can join me again, and I'll see you soon. Okay, in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing. Oops, before I go, here's something I forgot, the two little circular shapes on Pikachu's cheeks. Well, I think that's it now, so see you soon.